Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a video that I mentioned on my previous video stating that I had received a package from Alicia. And you guys, did she send a package? Do you guys see this? Jam-packed box full of goodies. So of course I want to share with you guys all the goodies that she sent me while I was sick. If I sound a little weird, I'm still got coughing going on here, still a little bit of congestion, but we're doing much better. And Liller is starting to feel good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place everything on top of my desk, and then we're going to go through everything little by little. So if you can see, the first little thing I'm pulling out here is this beautiful swan. You guys, I saw when Alicia posted this on her channel and I was just like, oh, OMG, look how cute. And she sent it to me. So that's there. And yes, I went through everything because I am super impatient and I was sick and I wanted something to make me smile. So I opened it. But there's so many goodies in here. Pull out this box. We got some yummy candies. Some cute little like desk decorations. Some super cute swan napkins. She totally spoiled me, you guys. You have no idea. This is like just the beginning of everything she sent me. How cute is this wand? I want to take everything out. This is a piece that something was tied up, but I keep the ribbon. She sent me one of these super cute little feathered pens. I also saw her when she hauled that. And then she sent me this little mix here of sequins, and it has like a little spoon. This cute little like lip gloss, like a pineapple. Look at the dish, you guys, with the eyelashes. I saw her haul these as well. She got me a cute little mermaid tail just to put on my desk. I'm definitely going to start putting all this stuff on my desk now that I'm going to show it to you guys. We have a pad here. Let me just take everything out to show you guys all these amazing goodies. Can you guys see everything? Let me see. It might be a little crooked here. Right there. It's my little note. We got some pom-poms. There's some ribbon here that was attached to something, because a lot of the things she sent me was wrapped up, but I unwrapped it. And this is some string lights that she sent me. But you guys, I'm gonna save this for last to show you guys. This is a tag flip that she sent me, and it is amazing. Then there's more. There's this. There's rosettes she sent me. Let's see what we have here. She sent me Maggie Holmes ribbons. I don't have these, but now I do because Alicia is the best. This was all part of packaging stuff that she had that I saved. And in here she had some goodies for me inside. So it was kind of like wrapped up that way. So we have that right here. And then on the bottom of it all, she sent me this like Insta kit. And you get like stickers and paper, which I think are so cool. You got some confetti right here. So she sent me that. And then let me show you guys real quick. See this paper? Everything was wrapped up in this paper, and there was tons of confetti in there, which I will be saving because look how cute this color is. I absolutely love it. So that's going to be saved. And let's get on with showing you what she sent me. So she sent me this 2 paper backdrop, 1 sheet of icons, 1 packet of confetti, Insta Kit sweets. So you get some stickers, the backdrop, and then some confetti. And yeah, it's from Target. Super fun. I don't have anything like this. I'm gonna put that right there. And then, of course, I showed you guys this. She had, I think, some stickers in here that I took out, some little packaging. Hopefully you can see that. We'll put that back out here. Then she sent me the Paige Evans and Maggie Holmes ribbon, and that is what they look like. And I don't own any of them. She sent me, I think it was the other Maggie Holmes one, and then now she sent me this one along with the Paige Evans. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Alicia. I love my ribbons. And then, you guys, Alicia sent me some of her handmade embellishments, and your girl, look at her. Look at these, you guys. She has stepped it up and does these beauties. These are so pretty, and I'm so proud of you because you did amazing, and I'm so glad to call these mine. I love it. I love it so much. Your layering is on point. So good. I love it. And then she sent me some little pom-poms, and she like fixed up the little topper part. You guys see that? So cute. She gave me 2 packs of that, actually. She gave me this one with white ones. She decorated it with some doilies. Do you guys see that? Alicia has gotten so good in her craft. I absolutely love it. She sent me some rosettes that I can use. I love the black and white. That's super fun. So she sent me a cute little bag filled with them. She did this cute little bag topper. And then this is just some ribbon that I'm definitely saving. Even though I think this is the one that she sent me the roll of the first time. I think when she sent my wife candies, she sent me this one, the one with the little swans. So I'm gonna put this aside over here. And then of course the little sequence mix that she put together for me with a little spoon. So cute. I love that. Okay, let's see where else to go. Let's see. So she sent me this cute lip gloss, and it's a pineapple with glasses, perfect for the summer. She sent me a pack of stickers of these cute little 4th of July glasses, and they're like shaker glasses. She sent me some cute little novelty glasses. These are little flamingos. So cute. This little seashell, vanilla sea salt flavor. So it's probably like a chapstick when you open it up. I think I have something similar to this, but yes, that's what I think it is. And this cute little ice cream notebook. So that was in there as well as this super cute swan. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I might have to take her with me to my bedroom. And then she got this for my desk, which I will be having on my desk. I don't want you guys to see me because I look crazy. But that's what it says. This girl can. And now, yes, we can. So I'm going to be putting that on my desk. She got me this pen. It's like a feather pen, those fancy pens. Let me see if I can open it right here. I saw her do a haul on this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need one of those. And she had already had one for me. Oops, did I do something wrong here? Oh no. Was I not supposed to take that out? Did I just ruin my pen? Let me see. No, I think it's supposed to go back down. And then it's supposed to spread out. Leave it to Lily to ruin the pen. But you can't ruin it. We can't ruin it. See? It's coming up. So let's see. He's supposed to be down here. Gotta bring him up. I think that's how you do it. I'll figure it out. Because some of the feathers are stuck here when they should be in the bottom. But anyway, that is the pen. And it is so cute. I love it. So cute. She sent me a little tassel, little handmade tassel. And then my card, of course. I'm trying to see where else to go here. In this little bag, which is so cute. It's like a little iridescent bag. She wrapped it around with some of that Hobby Lobby trim that I love. I have like 2 pieces now that I'm gonna be putting away. But in this little bag, she put in 2 pairs of socks for me. This one says resting brunch face. So cute. And then this one is just kind of like a mermaid one. So that is super sweet. And I should totally put one on right now. And then there's this little packet here of some little embellishments that she made. So cute. There's like a little sequins mix there. And then there's like little embellishment that she made. So cute. And look at this clip. Isn't that adorable? We got some Champagne Dreams Brutes and Rose flavored gourmet gummies. And then the dish that I showed you guys with the eyelashes. This is going to be perfect for my rings. She also sent me a pack of Swan napkins. So cute. I don't know if I can use those. I might have to hoard them. And then inside here, in this little swan bag, she gave me this little card. Oh, it's like a little card. And inside the card, ta-da! There's face masks. Isn't that sweet? So cute. She gave me a cute little wand. You guys, imagine receiving this package when you're like almost dying. It made me feel so much better. She sent me some string lights in pink, which I'll probably end up hanging somewhere in my craft room. She sent me Sunny Days sticker book, you guys. Can you believe her? Alicia, you didn't have to. Look at that. I love these stickers. And then she sent me these floral stickers. Super pretty. And then in here is a bunch of her embellishments, I think, that she decorated. I don't want to take them apart because I don't like, let me see if I can see them like this without ruining them. Oh, it's like a little cluster she did. Oh. It's like a little... Oh, that's so cute. I love this. Oh, it's a memory Dex card. I am totally putting this on my spinner. And then it has all her information on the opposite side. So cool. I didn't notice that the last time I looked at it. But then again, I skimmed through it the last time. So the last 2 things are the mermaid tail. And then, you guys, she made me this huge, let me close this out here so that I can see what I'm doing. This huge tag flip. And let me show you what comes in the tag flip. She did this beautiful little tassel, as you can see. It has like the Hobby Lobby, the pom-poms. Super pretty. So that's the little tassel. And then we have some heart-shaped trim. She sent me a Wink of Stella. which is freaking amazing. You guys, she sent me Sunny Days. What is this? Journaling runners. I didn't own this, and she sent that to me. She sent me a fragrance sash, which smells so good. She also sent me 2 little mermaid shakers from Hobby Lobby, I think. She sent me EOS lip products. Yes, you guys, this is everything she put on my tag flip. She sent me some of these little metal pieces of hearts to put in some Happy Mail. She also sent me a pack of these stickers from the Dollar Tree with the llamas. And you guys, she sent me some of this, like this leaf garland, and I've been wanting this for what seems like forever. And now I have it thanks to her. Like, I love this. This is amazing. She sent me some cute stickers. Look at the girls on the stickers. Do you guys see that? I don't have these. She sent me my initial, an iron-on letter. And yeah, you guys, that's everything she put. It's like one tag flip filled with gifts. It was an amazing package. And if you're watching, Alicia, thank you so much. And not only for the package, but for having amazing timing, because I felt like crap. And to see a box like this, it's like, how could you not feel better? I am going to put all my stuff to use. Look, you guys, she even sent me this little sign that says, okay, but first coffee. I think I might be taking this to my job and putting it on my desk. But I hope I didn't miss anything. Yeah, she sent me so much stuff, and it just made me so happy. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you're not subscribed to her, definitely go check her out. I'll have her link down below. She's very consistent with her videos, constantly posting, and yeah, we became very good friends, and she's extremely sweet and generous to me and my wife. And I wanted to show you guys this amazing package that I got out of nowhere, and just to say thank you to Alicia for the package, and that I will be making another video very soon, and I'll catch you guys then. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.